Hello everyone, in this video we will do the coin flip exercise of Ethernaut, and let me show you this coin flip. And here is the contract that we need to hack, and here is the function that we need to call, and they want us to guess the correct outcome of this function 10 times in a row. The thing is, here you see a boolean, which is a parameter value, and also a boolean here, which is a result of this calculation. So they want this boolean and this boolean to be the same so that we can win the round. If we can win the round 10 times, then we will be able to hack this contract. So when you look at the calculation, actually you can see it, I mean, it's right in front of your eyes. So it means that if you copy this code and paste it in an attacker contract, then you might be able to get the same result, the same boolean as here. And once you get the boolean, then you will call this function, and you will pass it here as a value, and you will be able to get the correct outcome. The second thing is how we can get the same result. I mean, at the end, just because we copy paste the code doesn't mean that it will produce the same result, especially when they have a dynamic data like this block number. So that's also easy to solve, because when you put I mean, this is going to be a transaction on the blockchain. So if you can chain this function call to your attacker function call, then they will be included in the same block number, and then which means that if they have the same block number, they will have the same boolean, okay, same boolean value here, which means that we will be able to guess it 10 times in a row. So now let's copy this, and we will also get the new instance, and we will copy this and paste it in Remix. And here I have copy pasted the code to Remix, and I just need to right now create an attacker contract. Here I have said coin flip attacker.solve. So let's just copy paste everything, paste it inside our attacker contract, and we don't need a constructor inside the attacker contract. We also don't need to count how many times we will guess it, right? We just need to get this boolean, okay? So maybe we can also name this flip function as flip attacker, so that we can understand that it's a different thing. And also we don't need a boolean here, and we don't need to return anything, because as I say, we just need this value. And now we need to import this other coin flip contract, or maybe first I need to create the variable which will point to the coin flip contract, so that we can call the coin flip contract methods functions coin flip public. Let's say main contract is equal to coin flip, and here we need to pass the contract address that we got from the Ethernaut. There it is. Let's just copy it, and coin flip attacker, yeah, here, just paste it here, and that's done. And now we can call the functions of the main contract. Which function you will call? We will of course call this flip. And here also I need to import the coin flip contract, and then it will be finished. Now let's delete it. So let's save this. One thing is missing. Yeah, here. Of course it can't be coin flip. It should be coin flip attacker. It's done. Now let's first load the main contract. And to load the main contract, maybe I could just copy the contract address here. So now let's load it here, and please make sure that you're on the injected provider. Okay, coin flip contract is loaded, and now we need to deploy this contract. We can, because this other one was deployed by the Ethernaut, so we need to also deploy this one. Let's save it again. Coin flip attacker. Okay, let's deploy it. Yes, so as you can see, we have deployed coin flip attacker, and we also loaded coin flip contract. So all we need to do here is just call this yellow button 10 times. And while you are calling this flip attacker function on the attacker contract, you can also check here how many times you have guessed right by going to coin flip main contract. And here I have reached 7. And also one more thing that I want to tell you. And here sometimes you might have some errors when you call when you call this flip attacker contract. If you have this kind of error, don't worry, just continue on. You can ignore this error, just try one. So now, as you can see, I have guessed 11 times consecutively correct, which means that I can now submit this contract and finish the exercise. So now if I submit the exercise, yes, we are successful. That's how you hack this coin flip contract. See you next time. Bye bye.